ha. Why type beats are goated emo. Today a brief video. I just want to talk why type beats really are that goated. Why I'm standing behind them and always defending them, and why this is my method really. And I will be making this fucking channel. All this channel is gonna be about type beats. Why I'm so hyped right now? Because I want to share this message with you. Let me just switch scenes really quickly. This is okay, cool. Now, what's the reason why the type beats are so goated? Because many people really don't understand this. And let me just pull the most viewed video on this channel. And let's see the analytics, right? And if you have any like kind of understanding of marketing, right? You have to pay for impressions, and you have to pay really hefty price if you advertise by meta ads and anything like this. So let's just see the numbers, right? 2 million and 100,000 impressions, 361,000 views. Let me just ask Cloud about this, right? Let's just ask, I don't see this. Let me just add the scene. Okay, so let me just like pull this up here. Okay, and let's see what's written here. This is the really good like use of artificial intelligence because you can educate yourself. So to buy 2 million impressions, right? And this is like some details. You don't need to read all that. So basically, we would like this, or like, no, we would like this. Because if you ever run meta ads, you have to target the audience that is actually profitable. So they have the buy power. So like EU countries, the USA, of course. And we would have to run at least this tier, 20, let me just preface this. 29,000 USD to run this ad. So, fuck this. We would have to pay 30,000 to get this much from just this one video, but like we have many more. If you have experienced blowing up type beat channel before, you know that there is always the compound effect on other videos, which happened for me as well here. And as you can see, the next video is 60k, the next is again 60k, 40k, 30k, 23, like this all is around 500,000. And I can repeat it for free, over and over and over again. Do you understand the sheer power of making a type beat channel which gains this amount of views? Do you understand how much you are saving on advertising? This also goes for the TikTok, for any short form content really. But one thing to note is the viewer on YouTube is much more engaged with your content than the short form one. And you can easily see it by, if you just look at the creators and their conversion from short form and from YouTube, like long form content even, because long form converts more, but we really like would have to scope with the different, through a different venue. But the type beats, right? Back to the type beats. You make them every day. You should make them every day, right? The beats. And you just go to Tunes to Tube, you just go upload them via CapCut, and that's all, bro. And you can, should be the title of this video, how I'm saving, how I'm getting 30k USD for free from YouTube, from type beats, But this is just the sheer absurdity, like how much you can get, but just being consistent. And you can repeat this over and over and over and over again, like, bro, I'm speaking from experience, like I can show you like my other results. Like here, for example, I no longer use this channel, right? But like here, 37k, 3k, 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 2k. Okay, let's go next. 56k, 27, 13, 7, 3, 2. You can, I can go on and go on and go on. Like this is all free. All it costs you is just some time on your hand that you can just make the beats and upload them and whatever, bro. This is why the type beats are so goated, because you don't have to like do anything crazy. You just upload the beats, you just find an aesthetic. And this is really a game of supply and demand. Like, I have the channels as well who didn't perform that well. Like, I can show you as well. For example, I tried the R&B niche, right? And this was really like mediocre channel with, okay, like right now it's around 4K, 2K, but this wasn't really going anywhere. So I just closed it. And you need to understand that this game really rewards smart people and like efficient people, because you need to, when you are doing a business, like any type of business, you know, you need to know when to exit, when to cut the losses and just exit. Because I see too many people running a type channel without like any strategy in mind, you know, and you have to be really strategic about this and know when to quit, because not every channel like is gonna be successful. Like we can see what's popping right now today, because like for example, this is really good, by the way, but this is like the old kind of niche, I think, whatever. But you might like start the channel today, like you see this new tag. I haven't seen this one yet, right? The blow type beat, and like you are doing your research, you go, you can see like, okay, the overall score is okay, the search volume is decent around 50k, the competition is low, and you might think like, okay, I'm gonna do my research, I'm gonna start this channel, and it goes to shit. Like you you don't pass 10 views, you don't pass 50 views, you go for like 1 month, 1.5 months, 2 months, and you got no results, you got no sales, because this is a dry niche with no sales. And this fucking happens, bro. This happens. Just close the channel and like go again. This is really because not every niche you're gonna pop out. You can make like worse beats than other people. Like there are so many reasons you have to like. This comes with experience, you know. But just note this, that this is really a skill issue. When you cannot blow up the type B channel and you don't have this free advertising money, this is a skill issue, and you can train it. And anyone who's telling you that no, that is oversaturated, the type beats are not worth doing, you will mark my fucking words. You will mark my fucking words, and get back to this video in 2 years or 3 years from now, and there will be a bunch of producers who started right now who are gonna be killing it. They're gonna have, because the type beats are going to return. Like there is right now, there is like this down period, but every time when there is like it goes down, it always goes up after. And mark my fucking words, if you are not gonna start right now, you're gonna regret it, because there are gonna be many producers who are going to be at the top after like 2 to 3 years. So this is my explanation. This is my explanation on why the type beats are really goated. I'm gonna put myself behind them. I'm gonna fucking like promote it, because you have to understand finally, like the type beats are really the way to go, and every fucking producer have to have the type beat channel. Remember this. The actionable step for today is, bro, just do some fucking research, start the type beat channel and join my community if you have any doubts. If you have any doubts, I'm explaining everything and much more. I'm helping you personally. Join my school. My community is the first link in the description. Bye bye.